I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah.
Good morning, lifestylers.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah. Guess whose birthday's coming soon? Promise. She will be 4. Right, Mama?
Yeah.
Gonna be a big girl?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a friend.
Yeah, you're gonna get present?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Papa came back out.
Yeah, Paw Patrol? Yeah.
Papa came back out.
Oh. Guys, girl no say she could get present for her birthday. So guys, I'm off today and I'm walking the kids to the bus stop. Yeah. Miss Kabani, did you clean your glasses? Huh? Yes, guys. Let me show you them. Silly girl. Silly girl. Silly promise. So guys, the kids are off to school. Just put them on the bus. So your girl is going in. I might not have any breakfast. I might just go in and go crawl up in my bed for about 3 hours because I have a 1 o'clock appointment. I have 2 appointments today. I have dentist and what else? What else do I have today? And I want to go do some grocery shopping. Yeah. So I might just go home. I don't feel think I gotta eat breakfast, guys, because I'm tired. I'm fully tired. Yeah. So that's it. That's that. And that is that. So we'll talk later, guys. And guys, it's overcast. It's very overcast. This sky. Yesterday was hot, but I sure me ear so today I go warm up too. But it not bad. It's still nice. Yeah. So I'll check back in later, guys. See ya. Hey guys. Just say guys. I won't want my eye them good. But what my eye them good, guys. Let me say. Remember I told you guys earlier that I have dentist appointment today. So guys. Sorry guys, when I get that call. Yeah, remember I told you guys that I have dentist appointment today. So guys, you don't know, sir, my appointment is 1 p.m. I said I go get up like around 11, so I can, you know, proper get myself ready, cause I wanted to go take some passport size picture. Yeah, so I said, okay, I'm gonna get up, get myself ready, and proper, maybe I'm gonna put on like a light makeup and something, guys. When I jump up, it was 12:10. All I could do was wash off my face, brush my teeth, throw on the wig, and I melt it down a little and just drop in the car. I'm sure I can't see on my face or my look. Like the sleep not completely left my face. Alright? Yeah, the sleep not really left my face, guys. I'm gonna just fling on the headband here, on the melting band. Put like a spray on the wig. Throw on the melting band. And that's that. That is that, guys. Couldn't do nothing, not even eat. And my mother made spinach, egg. Not even that I get for indulge, And I wanted to go take my passport picture and apply for my passport. Submit the application. But I can't do that, guys. Can't do it. But I still I might do the picture. Let's see if I can do the picture on my way back, because when I really go do much to me here, really. So I might stop and see if I can at least take the passport size pictures at Eastgate. It, I might not. Feel my feel. Alright? Talk to you guys soon. Okay? So guys, I'm in guys, if you notice I'm talking. Guys, maybe I laugh after myself if I notice me talk funny, guys. I just got a feeling I've been having no control really on my lip right now. So guys, I'm in HomeSense and I see this lamp, and remember I've been telling you guys that I'm looking for 2 lamps, right? So I see this lamp in HomeSense. It's on clearance and I think it will work. $36. Let me show you guys, coming from, what's the regular price? Let me see. Regular 70. Let me show you guys. So this is it here, guys. I just took it up so the shade is a bit lean. Yeah. So that's the lamp. That's the other one. I think I like it. $36. Yeah. Coming from 69. What do you guys think? There's some over here too, guys. I really like, where is it? There's one that I really like, but let me show y'all. I like this one, but this one is $80. And I'm not about to spend $80 today, guys. 16. That's like almost 200 when we can get them to the. I like this one, but this one is more for bedroom. I like this. This would go perfect with my bedroom set. Hopefully when I come back to get it, it's on sale. This one is nice too. Go get a cart. So guys, me see why I see why they're selling so cheap. Look here. See why I don't have no top. Crazy. No way. So one have top, one don't. Some other.
Yes, very much so. Very much so.
I like this one too. I like this. So guys, I'm running to grab these stuff now. I gotta hurry so I don't get in trouble. So here they are. So guys, I hope they will turn over. Fit them both in. Wow. So guys, I could take a picture with my lips them. Yeah, it will work. You can go on, look. Just go like this. Guys, my lip them stiff. But just go like this. I hit that. Yeah. Hit that, guys. Hello guys. Happy Sunday. So guys, it's Thanksgiving weekend. But this year, you know, when I really do no Thanksgiving celebration. I don't even think we did last year. Yeah. So anyways, it's Thanksgiving. It's the day before Thanksgiving. But I work all weekend. I had a rough week last week. Guys, my mama Pepper Chef Fred Pepper Chubby. Anyways, guys, you know, welcome to my channel. And this is your girl Yoli. And you're watching Lifestyle with Yoli. Guys, this serious? You're watching Lifestyle with Yoli. So guys, my mom is in the kitchen. She's making dinner. So I just wanted to show you guys what she's making. She's making escovitch fish. Let me show y'all. Did I finish it to welcome you guys to my channel? Yes, I did. I'm big up all my new subby. You see a few new subby. Welcome to Lifestyle with Yoli. I hope you're liking it over here. Don't forget to turn your post notification on, and you know, like, up, comment. Yeah, my subby them know, you know, the thing go already. So guys, let me just show you what's going on in my kitchen. My mom is making escovitch fish. So she's sauteing pepper. Guys, what my mother and I love Wolipa pepper, you know. We love Wolipa pepper. So she has saute carrot, onion, hot pepper. Yeah, and she have like oil in the pot now, and she got add vinegar. The fish is over there. So I'm just make you guys see how she prepare. I think she fried the fish them already. And in here, so she have oxtail. Yeah, so she just do her thing. I'm just make one see what's keeping on this beautiful Sunday evening. Guys, I wanted to go to church, but I had so much to do all week. It was a kind of crazy week for me. I had so much to do. Like, I don't feel right being home today because I really wanted to go to church, but yeah, it never happened. You guys see, you see how the pepper them scarce, but guys, them strong. Because just know them did that choke me. But them scarce, see, mommy?
No way. You got two peppers.
Guys, see, mommy say, well, leave in there 2 pepper.
But it did that choke you? So,
Yeah, but better than well leave.
want another one?
Up to you, because you don't like
'cause
pepper.
a two
Oh, it's
different
yellow.
color. Yellow pepper.
So she put yellow and red. She should have put some green to make it more colorful. So guys, I'll come back and show you when she finished sauteing and plating it. Yeah. I'll let y'all see. So the fish them here. Yes, fish. So guys, mommy, I gonna start plate the. You want to do something more? Mommy, I gonna start plate the fish. Remember, you have to tell them when you put this somewhere. Yeah, you don't know. The figure.
No, I'm not asking them all about that.
Guys, you know, all of my kids, them, from the small one to the big one, they all love fish. I'm gonna have to put prawns one in there. Here is the finishing look. Ooh. It's the beach fish. I'm making mac and cheese, and this is my way, guys. My way, that works for me. So what I have in the pot is butter and grated onion. So I'm gonna let this you know, get the flavor. I'm trying to get the flavor out of the onion in the butter, and then I add the cheese. All right, so I'll show you my step-by-step method, and it's good. It works for me. All right, so guys, I use the Velveeta cheese. So I add it to the butter now, and I'm, you know, making that melt. So next step is while this melts, I'm gonna prep the egg. So I'm gonna add about 4 to 6 eggs. Yeah. All right. Let's put this in the pot. So see, guys, the cheese melt now. So I'm gonna go ahead. I have 6 egg, milk, black pepper, and all-purpose season in this, and a little salt. But I still might have to add a little more salt, a little more milk, just no more egg. I still might have to add more. So guys, while I stir this, I go for the what do you call it? I go for the spaghetti macaroni, the elbow macaroni. When I talk about spaghetti, the macaroni, and I'm gonna add it to the mixture now. And guys, this is my way. Me not watch nobody. Me not go up on YouTube. This is my way. Actually, my friend Gail, taught me this way. So I know nobody me a follow. And just a little impromptu, guys. If you guys need the skincare routine for lifestyle with Yuli, you better ask her. This is no makeup, no filter. All right, back to regular programming.
Yeah, so putting it in. Guys, let me have more spaghetti then. I never want to make a big one, you know.
I told you.
Yeah. Put this away.
So here it is, guys. She's gonna mix it all together now.
There's the light, the bulb blow on my stove. If you guys would get a better. Mama, did you cut the milk for me? So guys, see? Everything soak up in the elbow macaroni. So now I'm gonna add some more milk, and then I'm gonna start adding cheese. So I'm gonna add the black diamond cheddar, the old forts.
No, that's black diamond.
Yes, old forts.
Oh, the kind.
Okay, and I put all of that in because this need a lot of cheese. And I'm gonna add some more milk, and I might add some more what do you call it, seasoned salt. Guys, I don't do this with measurement. I just use my estimate, which is my brain, until you know, my brain is the estimate. And this still want more cheese, guys. See? Still want more cheese. Because I don't like the consistency yet. Miss Polly?
I was just, I mean, I look at her.
Like, what? So guys, I'm gonna add one more.
Which one is this?
This is the mozzarella. This is not Old Fort. And I'm gonna put all of it, guys. So I have one more pack, guys, and I'm gonna use that to put on top to glaze the top of the macaron of the pie. Guys, this looked like it could have even take some more cheese, but guess what? Did I buy one today? Or that's it? I don't remember if I buy one, you know.
What are you doing?
So I'm adding all-purpose, guys, just a little all-purpose seasoning, not too much, and a little more black pepper.
And now she's gonna stir.
Then I'm gonna put it in the I'm wondering if I should put 2 more eggs.
That's a lot of macaroni.
And so So guys, I went ahead and add
So creamy.
2 more eggs and a little more milk. So remember, guys, I said I don't have no measurement. I'm just using my own discretion. Yeah. So I'm gonna pour it now, guys, but this look like it bigger than
I told you.
what I really. Guys, this is it. I'm gonna put it in the oven now. Come a little closer. So I'm gonna put it in the oven now, and I'll show you guys the finished product.
Lifestyle with Yuli.
Yes.
It's Thanksgiving Sunday.
Yes.
You've cooked up a storm today.
really a storm.
What's on the menu?
Just two meats, you know, fish and oxtail,
Uh-huh.
rice and peas.
Uh-huh.
You know what else? Mashed potato, macaroni pie.
And what, the chicken?
No, we didn't do no chicken. We're doing the chicken tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in honor of Thanksgiving, what are you giving thanks for?
You know, I'm giving thanks for life. You know, I'm giving thanks for a roof over my head because guess what? We're in a pandemic. Not only am I in a pandemic, I am a part-time worker due to my injury since 2019, and I am the most financial stable now than even before, right? So I have that for sure. I have to give God thanks for, because some people going through, you know, they're going through the inflation, you know, job loss, whatever. I have a job that I can go to every day, regardless, you know, I might be in some pain and stuff. I have to give God thanks because I still have a job, you know. Yeah, so girl, don't get me started. I could go on and on and on. God is so good.
Amen.
God is so good, and I have so much working on, you know, like that. God, you know, God is just showing up for me endlessly. You know, it might not be a big deal, but it's me know saw God, because you know it could only, and I'll be sharing it with my lifestylers, because you know we're family. So anything that happen, I'm gonna share it with you. But you know what I've learned this year, that some things you cannot share until it fully manifests, because people will kill your, if you plant a seed and sometimes more time you share it with the wrong people will kill your seed from in the ground, you know, because there's power in the tongue. So enough things you have to make the tree grow before you share it, so nobody can, you know, you have to have a firm foundation so nobody can kill your vision. You know what I mean? So, but I'm gonna share it with you now when.
So lots to come.
Lots to come. Lots to come. Yeah.
I speak on behalf of the lifestylers. We're waiting for it.
Yes. Hallelujah. You know what? I also want to give thanks for my subscribers. You know, thanks. You know, I might not have a big barrage of subscribers, or you know, might not get crazy like, but you know what? I am thankful for my subbies that are supporting me. Arlene, big up yourself. You're always sharing my content. You're always liking. You're always commenting. Volcano, thank you. There is so much more. I shouldn't start calling names because there's so much more of you guys that, you know, always commenting, always sharing. I might not be able to remember everybody's name, but guess why I can remember Arlene? Because I'm on Facebook and she's the only one that's always sharing my content on Facebook. So that I appreciate. Volcano, from the get-go, always be commenting. You know, there's a few other ones like I can't remember everybody, but I go big on up. Nevertheless, in this, I might put it on the screen or something. Thank you for always, you know, showing love. Thank you for always commenting. Thank you for all of my 415 subby. When I left out, no.
Road to 500.
Yes, guys, come on, share. Yeah, share up the thing. Yes. I want to do something first before we start to pray. I want everybody to tell me one thing they're most thankful for, and then we start to eat. Let's start with myself. I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for, you know, most of all, I'm thankful that we're able to maintain a roof, as we say, over our head in this inflation, in this pandemic. Because every time I walk downtown, I see homeless people. Guys, we're all going to say the same thing. We're all thankful for family. Okay, what are you most thankful for?
Family, most of all.
Okay, what are you most thankful for?
No.
That's what I'm saying.
The food, the blessings, the kids.
Florence, what are you most thankful for? You don't know? What are you most thankful for? Okay, good. You're thankful for God. What are you most thankful for, mommy? My family. Okay. Woman, no worship over this. Okay. Oh, okay, let's pray, guys, so everybody can eat, because everybody has starved. Come on, we're ready. We're ready. All right. So, Heavenly Father, we want to thank you for the cook, Grandma. We want to thank you for the cook. We want to thank you for the food that you have provided, God. I pray that it will be nourishing to her body, God. Father God, I pray that our table, or cupboard, or fridge, or pockets will never be empty. I prophesy that we are living in our overflow. In Jesus' name, amen. All right. Yes. All right. Amen. Everybody help themselves.
I'm chilling. I don't want rice. You're good.
I'll bring in.
You want to pass me first, please?
Yeah, I can't put your rice on foot. I didn't get no mac and cheese. Why? Here's the fish. The fish is good. Come on, it's how you like it. Come on,
This is good.
Mine is how you like it.
You want more mac and cheese, Marnie?
I want more mac and cheese, please.
I'll eat some rice.
Oh, now you see too.
Okay, but let me finish. Let me finish that.
Just eat.
Good morning, guys.
What's on the bus?
Yeah, it's truck. Good morning, guys. So it's Tuesday morning, the day after Thanksgiving, and I'm walking the kids to the bus stop. Say good morning.
It's all going.
I don't know. Yes, guys. And
Show.
guys, I have some stuff to do on the road today, but it's not gonna get done. I'm going to relax, eat something, and go relax on my bed. Yeah. Guys, you see how my face shine? My serums. So guys, drop the kids on the bus, and now I'm headed home. My girl showered up already and ready for our bed. I'm gonna eat something. Don't know what I'm gonna eat, but I'm gonna eat some kind of leftover. Yeah. And go to my bed. And guys, see my face, you know? Very moisturized. So I'm using something on my face for the marks. So because of that, I have to keep my face very hydrated. Very. Cause even though I don't rub it all over my face, it tends to dry out my face. So I have to put the moisture back into our face. Yeah, I'm gonna share it with y'all. Yeah, I'm just trying to find the time to do a little morning routine, nighttime routine, but I've been so busy. So busy. Guys, winter is here, but you want to see me? Look at me. Look at me. I am home. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm home. We'll talk later, guys. Manny is here to pick up his new glasses. Are you excited, Manny? Yeah. Huh? Promise. Are you excited to see Manny's glasses? Yeah. Go sit. Ooh. Let's see. Go over the other side, please. Are you okay? Sit there. Pick up. I know. Pick up the. Time to put away that old one. Let me see. It's so nice. Is it loose? Is it okay on?
How's the vision? Good. It's good. Let me just check. I know, leave it on. It's pretty good.
It's feeling good? Still feeling good? Okay.
You want to wear it?
Put these
ones in here?
Yeah.
And now it doesn't want to cooperate anymore.
Let me see one. Hey. You like Manny's glasses? Why? You don't need glasses. Yeah, you got good eyesight. Unlike, come, Mama. Go. But she wore glasses. This way. We're walking through the bay and they have some really good sales. When I tell you, especially on homeware, like stuff like that, good. Real good sale. But I forgot to come back tomorrow with, it's the other side. Other side, Mama. I forgot to come back tomorrow. How much are these sheets? 30% off of what? 109. Christmas tree. Oh, we need a Christmas tree too. Let's see this one. I like this one. Oh! You guys come right behind me. Sorry. Sorry, Mama. You didn't hear Promise say it's okay? So why you get it in our business? Stay out of our business, boy. Looking at plates. Wait. Even though I teach you how to hold their hands, you still hold their hands like that. That's why she always don't want you to hold their hands.
Yeah.
Oh, $49. Says $49. Give you a close-up look. This is a good deal. And $79. If you have the money, come buy them. Bay Days. And these are $99. These are Calvin Klein, $99. They have woody. Come guys, here's some more.
Huh?
I like this waist too.
No, Mom, don't touch it.
I am supposed to touch it. You're not supposed to touch it.
Mommy touch it.
You're not to touch
I'm not Mommy, I'm cameraman.
I like this too. For $95? Nah. Hello, sir. You vlog me looking at it, not juice in. You can put juice in. Oh, shit. Excuse my language. Don't touch me. Mama, don't. This is $3. So this one on so 6. Guys, these are some good sale. Don't touch Mama. I like this, but there's some other ones. Where are they? They're also like these. This is nice.
Is that sugar?
Whoa. This is $19. Heavy.
$90?
Yeah.
Ooh, $90.
19.
20.
This is 7.
Do more. How is it? How is it?
I don't know.
Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Haha.
Guys, too much to see now, I don't know. Maybe cornmeal. You put sugar in that one. Okay, I'm gonna take Promise to the washroom and then I come grab 2. I could put sugar in one.
And it?
Yeah.
red polish. Wow.
You like it?
Yay. Wow. So, hurting a monkey. Ah!
Come, promise.
This way.
Promise. Do you have to use the washroom too? Huh? Guys, I haven't lied, but then like I said, I haven't taken up the camera all week, but I did take up the camera on Thanksgiving weekend. Yeah, and today is Thursday, guys. So I went to work today. I came home, you know, shower up and thing, and me I hit the road back. Come and have some errands for run. I have a delivery. Guys, for those of you who don't know, I also sell dry sea moss, not just the gel. I sell the dry one also for 3 ounce for $34. Yeah, so I also sell the dry sea moss. I can't show you now, guys, but just letting you know. Yeah, so I'm going now to the store. It closed at 5, guys, and now it's 4:48. I have to pick up my labels for my jar. Closed at 5. I'm just hoping that I get there before it closes. Yeah, come on, really press it. Yes, guys, so you know, I'm just checking, guys. So I'm going to pick up my labels. Oh, police, guys. Police. As soon as me talk about press, who is that? Let me see. A cruiser. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna pick up the label, then I'm going by Amanda for a little bit, so I'm gonna grab her and then I'm gonna stop at the mall. Guys, my birthday is coming up, and guys, my accept gift even after the birthday. I still accept gift. I love dinner, I love spa, I love money and petty, you know, anything to do with my business, from juices to blend. Guys, I love things. So if any of you guys wanna, you know, bless your girl on her birthday, yeah, you guys can go ahead, cash out your sale. Yes, guys, so follow me. So yeah, I'm on my way to grab that. Yes, I said stop at the mall. It's actually Bay Days at the Bay, guys. Guys, I love the Bay and the Bay are closed, so they have sale. And I need a spring jacket and I need a spring jacket and I need a light jacket to drive in the winter time, guys. With me driving at the thick jacket, that might kill me. So I need another winter jacket. So I'm gonna get that. Yeah, and then I go by Amanda. Yes, guys. Oh, 4:50, 10 minutes, guys. And I think I'm about 5 minutes away. Yeah. Guys, so I think I'm gonna take you guys with me. Why not? I know y'all wanna come. Yes, I'm gonna take you guys with me. As the labels are actually labels for my my jars. I've been ordering my labels online for a while and they've been costing me, and I found this company in Hamilton that does it, where I save $40. Yeah, that's a big chunk of money I saved. Yeah, roughly $40. Actually, maybe $52 I saved. Yeah, so that's not bad at all. So guys, I'll take you guys along, all right?
I get my labels done. So for all the small business out there looking for somewhere to print their labels, you could come here. Yeah. Hello. So guys, this is the label.
Boss, how much did you tell her?
I didn't tell her anything.
$10,000?
10,000.
You don't ever enter the mall from this side. This is the rich people's side.
No.
I always enter from the part that says shoppers.
Yeah, turn wait there. Silver.
You ever enter from that? The shoppers where I say urban planning $5 top.
I can't bother with you, yeah? Wait, where are they? They moved them.
Wow.
Oh, Lord.
What the kids want here? The kids want this?
No, adults.
Show me the kids one. You can find
I'm
the adults.
so unhappy right now. I'm so unhappy. There was a spring jacket I'm coming back for. It was
Maybe
right
then move it.
over there.
Do you have the picture?
No.
This way you go wrong.
One guy at work asked me if he can come in here, come. What do you mean? That's what you see there's it's the price.
What do you mean? Mr.
For the-
take a picture.
That's it.
No, not that. Mr.
Which
wants
one?
the kid's jacket.
So you think Lee can wear these jackets?
Can't?
Yeah.
That's what I asked
Extra
you.
small.
That's what I
Yeah.
asked.
These might be cheaper than the kiddies. I can't believe this. I'm not happy. Okay. Come here.
I see.
I like this jacket, but there was a nicer one yesterday. Amanda said a driving jacket, guys.
Of course.
No.
Guys, they can't take bus in that.
No.
Remember, you don't take bus.
What you? Is it I want me? Oh no, I don't.
No. Guys,
like
the inside stay like this.
But me, I wonder if it's gonna be too hot in it.
No. You might have to run out of the car to go to a store.
Yesterday, this was 40, eh?
40%.
Yeah. Not yesterday, before yesterday. When I said
Our ear look nice to you guys. Our ear nice. Is that hot girl, you know?
real
Mashono.
again.
It's their totes bag.
Hey. Who did say to me, say, why it has to be totes?
It's their totes bag, guys.
Guys, as I told you guys, my birthday is coming up. And you guys feel free to cash out Zally. But I don't want paper.
You have Zelle? You have Zelle?
Cash out for Zelle. I said, yeah.
You have Zelle? Oh, no.
Guys, anything. Like, I love perfumes, you know, blenders, anything, appliances.
You know, some of my ears say, I did agree with it for true.
So,
I don't remember who said it. Them say, look here. For my birthday and Christmas, do not give me no house item. Don't give me no blender. Somebody said, because tell you what.
wow.
Like them I say, other days they can't give me them stuff there. But imagine.
How did you find the washroom again?
Upstairs, when you go up the escalator, to the left.
Oh, you work here? You know, you come here often, you know. You come here often. Because you know, just say upstairs, you know. You say to the left.
Yeah.
Go through
you
the
got
right
it.
door.
And you know, them will lock it down. It's a close.
Wow. This door here?
Yeah.
What they're going to put here?
That's what I know. Hey, one time in Lime Ridge, used to have good. Guys, that's I'm not PR, no. Did I come in with
Look
a
at
jacket?
me. No. Guys, look at me. Hey, make sure you insert that clip here now. Make sure you insert this clip in your vlog. Okay.
Let me show you something.
I want to see a flash up every minute. Guys, she gonna pay me for this, you know. People might think that she's a celebrity now.
Disappointed though. Like me extremely disappointed. Like the jacket was so nice and cute.
You there?
I'll show you one more.
A cute jacket.
Oh, they sell
You there? Everything gone, my dear.
them cookie jar, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, the smaller one then.
Oh.
You get 3.
So you put like crackers or cookie? Or
I'm gonna
sweetie?
put cookie like Oreo and stuff.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Them are nice too.
Them are nice with sugar, eh?
Yeah, sugar. And you can put you can put sugar, you can put
And maybe tea bag.
crackers, you can put tea bag.
You
can put
nah, that's it. Could I put them up on the
no,
top? Yeah, if I put them.
put them flats. Yeah.
I like this too. Like you know, Christmas time when they make a cereal and stuff, you can put them.
You
in
can
there.
put in that, yeah.
$9.
Under $10. That's good.
Yeah, them the
Oh, Zeller's coming back, me here.
Even this.
Boy.
Even this.
When you hear that, guys, come on, make people busy.
This is
on,
your
get
condensed
busy.
milk and stuff. Eh? What does she, man? Or, you know what I could do? I could put my own homemade sea moss.
Into it.
Yeah. But those one looks stush.
Okay, easy.
What you da put in
Aesthetics.
this?
Aesthetics. It just come over it so, like so.
What you da put in that? I cup this. I drink out of this.
No. You know, if you were a coffee person, you could have put the coffee
like
and the creamer
stuff.
in one and the coffee in one.
You can even put it in your bathroom.
And put your cotton pads and yeah. No problem. The man, make sure find me for seconds. What if he's Jesus cut out that part there. You know me say what I go. Oh, what if he's single? You're gonna cut out that.
Wait, are these the two same size?
Yeah.
Why
This
then
one's
make
different.
This $6? Why $9? Oh, I didn't see this. You know me, I look for them here. Let me see how much
This?
for them. This. To put in my cupboard.
So the deep plate them in where they attack.
I love those.
Yeah.
But I would like those white.
Guys, this when you have this aesthetics man, but it's really nice. What you say I put in this?
And they have the labels on it. What is? Oh, then so they make sure not show the price. Then can't show us.
The price of the man, see price them there. Low price. $5, $10.
For the that's labeled.
Okay, see here. $10.
For one?
So you ever pay for the labels them different?
Black
You that must pop off the people them things.
blackboard basket. $10 just for this. It's cheaper at what do you call it? At Kitchen
So guys,
Stuff
what you
Plus.
do?
It's cheaper at Kitchen Stuff
You
Plus.
put one of the label on it and you put whatever in there.
One like you put like in the cupboard you have like you have the packaged stuff like you have the 6-pack of American, we can stop them in stuff when I have in a
Yeah.
But not $10. No way.
That's it.
Sis, you need this.
Another car with us.
You need this.
To steep
'Cause
some
you're always
tea.
drinking tea.
I ain't just steep your tea. You know that.
$18. I said I want to see a little. Said they want to see a little. So they want to see.
Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Your pajama season. Carry us, them now war with us. In the club, them want flex with us to get next to us, them now. Hey. Are you to teach me that song, you guys? It's all good, girl. Turn me on to the early man. Let's get it on. Let's get it on to the early
I
man.
love cute sleeping. I wait there.
What you say, love?
I mean, we put this on before the night.
You take it
That
off.
groggy.
Hot.
The price of the party. I guess we'll have to
Sugar
know
girl.
the price deal. Eh? $25, not bad.
You're not bad.
Christmas gift idea. Like,
Wow.
get somebody one little.
Tina, I hope you're looking. Christmas gift idea.
She can never give me pajamas. She must be crazy.
But he wants me to get blender for Christmas.
That's a $300 gift.
Oh, treasure blender you want? But to go and I can eat the entire blender. Oh my God.
You should see your face. Oh.
Yeah. See? Sis, come here.
Oh, that's
These what you wear on the bus. When you're taking bus, it's like keep you warm on the road. You understand me? Yeah.
You know, with that but nothing of this.
In a car, yes.
Yesterday these were like $80. See?
So guys, if you're driving, you
These
don't
are
wear
the
these ones. But if you're taking the bus, those are the ones. And my finger nice, see? Just wants a ring now.
You have two jump in that car there, unlike me.
What ring?
Two jumping in the car, sis.
The coats.
You think this would have hug my body like with an ankle boot?
Okay, you have the body for it. What size that?
Medium.
Yeah, that is cute.
That's a medium big.
You lay a bad wickedy?
Look.
Guys, you said this big.
Yeah, look, by the time I go in there, it goes so. By the time I go so, and then it goes.
You're there. You know you're wicked.
Guys, come on, yeah. What I came for is not here, so maybe me not forget you. That's what I always say.
Me too.
Yeah, if I come forget you and
that's why I'm probably not out of the shoes too. Now, come and say, why may I tell you, but I got out of it.
But you need it. That's a need. That's a
necessity. Sis, Christmas tree up already, you know? You have up yours? Your tree. I need to buy a tree. Where do I buy a tree? On Amazon?
I don't know. I like some things I buy on Amazon, but I like to look at my
So
tree.
where can I buy a tree?
Walmart.
But Walmart
Home
not selling.
Depot.
I don't see any trees selling.
Yeah, a lot. I was looking at them last night.
Okay. I want to buy a tree.
Something, yeah.
I'm not even going to
Really?
reveal my tree color, guys. Oh, yeah.
The quality, you know?
When they made that, you have to put up, you know, you put it up.
How much is it for a tree like this?
Enough money, sis. They ever bother with
What
it.
inch is it?
This look like a 6-inch. This look like
You think so?
7
Or
feet.
7?
7 feet. This look like a 7 feet. Oh, I like the skirting idea here.
Yeah, it's cute.
This skirting is cute. Sure. Let's go for manual.
But we don't see nothing.
If people want to decorate them store.
I wanted to see what, to have an idea like what,
The last time I came in Otsibay, for their trees were like $300 and $400 in price
when they
there.
have sale, man, 100 and something.
That's why I said Black Friday. May I leave with Black Friday? No, Black Friday, may I leave with them for winter
When is
jacket?
Black Friday?
November. Even the girl at Urban Planet tell me say them have a mad sale for Black Friday.
Not
So
like
may I
this.
play with them for winter jackets.
And the feel this? No, only some feel so. This, feel this one. Why all of them never feel so?
Oh, so you want it to feel like this? Plastic?
Can you imagine a tree feeling like this would last you a very long time? So why them do some?
So that it can have a real look.
Okay, you have an excuse then.
No, sir. Guys, I want this silly one to buy. You right now?
Hey,
get a small tree. Can you imagine?
We didn't have a tree. Everybody used to mock me with it when we post it.
Can you imagine if I have the tree, guys?
This kind of tree is just diamonds you put under it, though.
Kind of gift can go on it. Oh my god.
Those trees you put diamonds in.
Man, I'm gonna see how much for this in case somebody out there wants one. None of prices.
59.
Where you see that?
$60.
Oh, you see, you can know
This is
shop
Decor.
here.
This go on your porch.
Yeah, with a nice little lantern in it. Yeah. So people buy mouse for do. What the mouse have to do with Christmas?
Most love Christmas. They say most love cheese.
So then say. She can't pay me now?
I can't release them a call.
Can't pay me for
I'm
this.
gonna get what I want. I'm gonna see a little cute jacket. So little and cute, guys. I'm so disappointed. It hurts.
It hurts. No, sir. So why you never buy it yesterday?
Because you know when you contemplate, do I need this?
You there?
Do I want this?
So good. It's good. You never need it. You
I
see?
do. Because
You
I
don't-
wear sweater in the fall. I have a bad habit.
You never need it.
I wear a sweater. Come on, always get hot
You there?
when I drive.
It's a buggy there.
Oh,
It's a buggy.
Cut.
Hello guys, happy Friday. So guys, it's Friday. Guys, I see one bus like at the kids them bus. And my mom did I rush me to the house and I said, Yolanda, you're gonna let the bus come. And you're not down there to take promise off the bus. Yes guys, so from that you guys realize where I'm heading. I'm heading to the bus stop to grab the kids off the bus. Guys, sleep out the day. They're tired. Sometimes they're tired. You have to rest your body. So, sleep, eat, sleep, get up. Oh, it's not our bus. I mean, I fully broke my neck, you know. So, me eat, sleep. Get up, shower, and now I'm gonna, after I take the kids off the bus, I'm gonna go run some errands and pay some bills. Yes guys, so how's everybody doing? You know, I'm have to ask, and if you tell me now, I wanna doing. How's everybody doing? Guys, today's a bit cool out, but it's not cold. It's a beautiful day. Alright guys. Kids on my wheel. So guys,
Yeah.
okay.
It's right.
Where's your jacket?
Huh? In my
Where-
bag.
Why don't you have it
I
on?
don't have a jacket. Right here.
Your sweater.
It's in my bag. Right here.
But where's your other black jacket?
Huh?
Let me see. Teacher didn't find it? Where's your other black jacket?
Is this new?
What did she say there?
Thomas did not come home. Wait. Come home.
That's me.
Nike jacket.
So guys, Promise did not wear Homer jacket yesterday, and she didn't bring it back home today. This is the thing about JK that I do not like. But teacher them have other children to pay attention to, so sometimes these things
Go away,
happen.
mommy.
Pardon? Where's grandma? Grandma is at home.
Huh?
Grandma is at home. Yeah.
Oh.
So it's not in our bag today, so I'm gonna have to write her teacher.
Huh?
Another letter on Monday. Got this at Walmart, guys.
Let's take the honky.
For I think wait no. $15. Nice, eh? Really nice. Hi guys. Happy Friday. Hey, it's Friday. Guys, I get excited when it's Friday and I'm off the weekend. Anyways, guys, you're watching Lifestyle with Yoli, and this is your girl Yoli. Anyways, guys, today's Friday. and I promised the kids, actually I promise, because Kamani is not really a Paw Patrol guy, but he's coming along to the movies with us because I think Kamani just want to come and eat popcorn.
Mommy. Actually, I want to spend time with my sister.
Yeah, you guys, you say you want to come and spend time with his sister, sure. I think Kamani's plan is to come, him gonna get to eat out junk food, and him gonna get to have popcorn. Yeah, I think that's why. I really think that's why Kamani coming, guys. Isn't it?
Kinda.
Yeah, but no, isn't it, guys? So, guys, I promise for the longest time that, you know, we were gonna go watch Paw Patrol movie, and this little girl, she remembered. Yeah, this morning she got up, her dad said from she wake up, she's like, Paw Patrol movie, daddy, today. Yeah, girl remember. So today me promised her, so we'll go watch a movie. So as tired as I was, because I'm really tired, guys. I'm tired, and my body's just not bodying today in a lot of pain. But you know, to me make the promise, I said, okay, I'm gonna take her to the movies. Yeah. Yes, guys. So we're on our way to the movies, guys. I actually changed the position where I had my camera, and I'm not liking it, because before I would just be looking straight, you know, I look straight. No, I have to turn my head a little. I don't know if I like it. Yeah, I don't know if I like it. I think I rather it in front of me, like directly. Yeah. So guys, we're gonna take you along with us to the movies. Yeah. Alright, so I'll check back in, guys, when I get to the movie theater. Money waving to you guys. Big up the lifestylers, Money.
What's up? Subscribe.
Yep, that is it. Alright, guys. See y'all. So guys, we're here in Ancaster, and we're gonna watch Paw Patrol. We're gonna watch Paw Patrol. We're supposed to hold our door, eh?
I can hold it for the other lady. She's coming.
Hold on. Oh my god. 8:30.
Maybe it's all right.
8:30.
I want the 6:30 one. Yeah, that could help. Good morning, guys, or I should say happy Saturday. Guys, last night, this is a continuation from last night. So I took the kids to the movies last night to watch Paw Patrol. Guys, I actually enjoyed the little cartoon. So I had to cut the video, guys, last night. We got the wrong time for the movie, so we had to wait an hour and a half to watch the other movie. So I just took them around to do my errands with me, guys, and I had so much errands to do. I was from one store, bang, this, that, guys. So your girl was just on a roll. So I didn't do much vlogging. Anyways, it's Saturday. Hey, it's Saturday, and I have a lot of errands to run today, guys. I have to go to, I have to go get some little stuff. So I have to go to the grocery store. Yeah, it's mostly grocery store errands I have to do today, and like a Home Depot run. Yes, guys, it's not bad. It's what, 14.5 degrees. Yes, I just wear my little jacket outside. So guys, I think I'm gonna take you guys on the road to do some errands with me. All right, guys, I changed the what do you call it? I changed where I had my car mount for my phone. I changed it. I don't know if I like it here, so guys, come can't. Normally it wouldn't. I would just hold my head straight. I look on the road, I might drive, but no, man, I go so I think I'm gonna change it back. Yeah. So guys, yeah, I think that's all I have for today, guys. I should have made a list, because I know when I don't make a list and I go on the road, I come back, I'm gonna left this, I'm gonna left that. But anyways, let's go do some shopping. Yep, I forgot something. I forgot my vlogging stick. I don't think I'm gonna need it anyways, guys. So anyways, come along with your girl. Come along. And guys, if you're new here, for all the new subbies, or if you just stumble up on my video, guys, come on, hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Drop a comment so I know you're here. Let me know if you're new to my channel. All right. And for my subbies who, every week after week when I drop a vlog, you're supporting your doll. You're supporting your girl. I should say you're supporting your girl. Thank you. I really appreciate your support. All right. Guys, I'm here at Zehrs. Guys, we're gonna show them a dress code. No, sir. This is a dress code. We don't know about. I have on my jacket, my jeans. It cool outside now. And me, I have on sandals. Let me show you. Wait, guys, we don't want to walk in a car. I'm not showing you. See? You see that dress code there? Jacket, jeans. It's cool out, but guys, we're not ready for the weather yet. Can't bother to take out boots and take out this and take out that. Some of us dragon. Yeah. Guys, just go at Zehrs. But it's sitting in the car. I do want a little TikTok. Hey. Oh God. Guys, but they did at a car. But then I have my own little worship session. What's wrong with my tongue today? Guys, I was having a little worship session. And I'm like, I just vlog it and post it on my TikTok, guys. So yeah, that's what I was doing, guys. So yeah, so I just stopped off at Zehrs. So now the bleach where them did have on sale, one little bottle of bleach for $3 something. So I'm gonna go to the West Indian store to get auto bread, and then I go to Walmart or another grocery store in Costco. Should I go to Costco? The butter that I normally buy sells. So guys, I have me yeah, I think I'm gonna stop and get a little. Guys, are the kids them do this, leave my light in my back of my car on. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go to the West Indian store because I know the hot bread go really fast. So I'm gonna go there, and then I go to I do Marissa run around. Yeah. Might go get water. Might go get water at Costco. Butter and ketchup. Guys, every grocery store, I don't know if I'm the only one that shops like this. Every grocery store for me serves its purpose. Like, some things at Costco is a deal. Some things is not a deal. So I'm not buy it because it not worth it. Same thing at the grocery store. Some things not worth buying at grocery store. Like, I don't buy toilet paper. I don't buy paper towel and stuff like that. I'm gonna buy them something they like. The bulk items, I'm gonna really buy them at grocery store unless grocery store is having a good sale. Then I'll go there and get it. Yeah, so every store for me serve its purpose. I don't know if I saw everybody shop. However, if I say if it's okay, if say I'll be driving, say if I'll be driving around to, like if it's far and the item is not overpriced at other grocery store, then I will buy it for the expensive price instead of driving far, because that time it now go worth it. So, you know, me really, trust me, some people will be like, oh, it's a waste of time or whatever, but it works for me, and sometimes it saves me a lot of money. So let me know, anybody else shop like that? You know, like if you know Food Basic have a sale, you're going to go to Food Basic instead of, you know, going to Costco to buy, because you save, you know, especially if you save one $20 or something like that, you know what I mean? And then, you know, y'all go buy it in a bulk. You know, sometimes that's what I do. Like, you know, if I know there's something there on sale and it's always high price, I buy it in bulk. Anybody else shop like that? I can't get my hot bread. Yo. Hi, Maple. So there's some of my hot bread here. Guys, I'm gonna put down the camera. Oh, one for hot bread, guys. So if you're looking for hot bread, this is where you find it. Guys, I'm gonna put on the camera, right? So guys, I'm gonna grab the bread them. So on to my next stop. Guys, I couldn't vlog with the bread them in my hand. You know? Yeah, all three bread. I never have no extra hand, guys. Guys, I wasn't able to hold the camera and the bread at the same time. So guys, let me give you guys a little update. So for the Christmas, guys, I will be selling sorrel drink, guys. So I will be selling it by the small bottles and by the family size bottles. I'll oh god, guys, them I'll you know, I'll also be selling strong back, guys. So Irish mosh, it's an Irish mosh drink, strong back. I'll be selling them by the bottles also. So I'm gonna do some trial one tonight. So I bought Iceland glass to put in it. Yeah. So they said Iceland glass uses along with Angel brand gum arabic and linseed in the preparation of Irish moss. So I need to buy some linseed. Yeah, so yeah. So guys, I will pretty soon, I'll be putting out the prices so you guys can pre-order your sorrel drink and your strongback Irish moss. So I'll be doing sorrel pineapple and regular sorrel drink, sorrel with red label, and sorrel with alcohol, I should say, and then the Irish moss. Yeah, and the strongback. Yes, I'll be doing those over the Christmas season, so you guys can place your orders. I'll let you guys know prices pretty soon. All right, that's an update. All right, so guys, I'm going to the other store now. Yeah, well, I'm going to Walmart. Yeah, I'm gonna go to Walmart. Guys, we at Walmart now. So I don't think I'm gonna go to Costco. I think I'm just gonna do Walmart. Yeah.
And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what.
Guys, I need butter. And this is why I buy butter at Costco. And right now, I feel like I'm throwing away my money to buy these butter. $8 for that. Sorry. Thank you telling me now. This makes sense. I'm gonna just get this one. I need ketchup now. Let's go get ketchup. Oh, Grace. What is this here? Grace section. Grace Axie. I'm looking for ketchup. Is it somewhere down here? There it is. See guys, normally I get, I think, toward this side at Costco for that. But ketchup goes fast and nice anyway, so I'm sure I'm still gonna have to go get it again by next week. I got this for Promise. I know she's gonna love it. Okay, let's compare prices now. So, see, I'm getting the one. Where is it? Oh, guys, I was actually getting a good deal in Caledonia because this bottle here, oh god, is $7. $7, guys. So I was actually getting a good deal. Guys, they're actually a vlogging stick that you can hook on your cart. I need one of them, man. Since I always a take on shopping, I need to get me one of those. So I need the Clorox spray. I need Pine Sol for the washroom or whatever here Okay. I'm always using pine sol, but I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try Lysol. That's what. Yeah, I'm gonna try this. So guys, see? Oh, by Caledonia, it was 2 for $9. So really, and remember guys, I was saying that's an iron grocery store. At the same thing. It's the same price. Same price, guys. Same price. Here I am thinking Walmart was gonna be cheaper. I'll get 2. Same price. Okay. And I use these guys to clean down the toilet. Wipe down the toilet, wipe down countertops. Yeah. Guys, Walmart and the iron grocery store are pretty much the same price. Hear me, I think say, oh, may I come Walmart because it's cheaper. Not anymore. See what I mean? When I in grocery store and Walmart, I say the same price. You know I say something wrong. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna grab lotion. Guys, I'm struggling to push this thing today. I don't know why this I don't know why this card's so hard to push.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say